Oh no.
What is that? Bird?
Yeah, we just caught this blue one on our balcony.
Really?
And then we bought a girl baby parrot.
And they won't leave my computer alone.
Yeah, they will.
Oh, how many you have? Two?
Two.
Oh, I see. So
We
you
just caught it on
did you
Monday.
just catch it from the window, from outside, or did you buy it?
Yeah.
On Monday.
Well, the blue one, we were doing yoga and then we caught it. And then the green one, we bought that one because it needed a friend.
Oh, I see. Very good.
Yeah.
So cute. Oh. Yeah, they like me.
Okay, now go away.
Come here, baby.
Okay, Shahina. Actually, I will give you one more test next week. Now, maybe for a few weeks, you will do one test a week, okay? So important thing about the test is, you know, in the test, the questions are from different, the bird is on your head.
Sorry. It was
Okay.
muted.
So, the test, you know, the questions are from different topics, not from a single topic, okay? But you will get used to it. But we don't have to hurry, we have time. Maybe it takes 2 months, maybe 3 months, okay, no problem. So you should just feel relaxed, all right? If the questions are challenging or you don't understand, is also not a problem because I am meeting you like 6 times a week, right? Like 3 days a week, that means 6 sessions. So that's why we are having class together, okay? So whatever you don't understand, all right, one time I explain, maybe you don't understand, maybe you understand, no problem. You don't understand, I explain again and give more different questions. You try again because still you're like only 12 years old, all right? We have a lot of things to learn. Okay, the important thing is step by step. You feel that very overloaded, okay, just stop doing everything, have some rest, all right? And you know, when you feel like fresh, just come and do some questions. And this is how you improve your math, problem solving skill, and also your knowledge and everything. All right, the important thing is we should never give up.
Okay. So
now, Shahina, first we will start with discussing your questions. Shahina, this Wacom tablets, I will give you one assignment, maybe today, another assignment, all right? So you have to practice writing this with Wacom tablet. How do you open this? Open with Microsoft Edge. You know how to open with Microsoft Edge?
I think like in any page, I'm not sure, but I think I can
No. For example, now I will send you, is Wacom tablet connected to your laptop now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Where is the pencil? Show me. Where's the pen?
Let me just get it out.
Okay, very good. So Shahina, now I will send you one file in WhatsApp. Okay, you just download this file. All right. After you download this, you share your screen and I will show you how to do that. Okay. So I will let you share the screen. Okay, for example, let's do like this. Shahina here. All right. Shahina, fundamental homework, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So now, Shahina, first, can you share your screen with me? Click on share screen in the middle. You can see, right? Okay, unmute your microphone so I can hear you.
Yeah, I see it. I think I need to download it first and then
Okay, no. Okay, you can download, but first, can you share your screen with me? Click on share screen.
Okay. Just a second. Okay. Where is
Okay.
it?
Can you share your
Okay,
screen with me?
Yeah. So this one. Here, right?
In the middle, the arrow. Okay, all right.
That?
I can see your. All right, very good. So you downloaded, right?
Here I think.
Oh no,
Is
no,
it
I
this
cannot
one?
see this. Share your screen again. You close it.
I did.
No, I cannot see your screen now.
This one. Now this one.
Okay, now I can see this. Shahina, can you close this file? Can you close it? Oh, okay, okay. We can see this. Okay, now click on plus. You see at the top, there's minus and plus. Zoom in and zoom out. Okay, one more, one more, one more. Okay, okay, that's enough. Now click on draw. You see the click on draw.
Oh yeah, that one.
Okay. So now, right. For example, the first one. Can you do that?
Yeah.
No, 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 not just next to the equal sign. Next to equal sign.
Oh. X plus. Oops. Is that right?
Yeah. Okay, now after the Shahina, now you know how to write it, how to erase it. Now click save. See save?
This one?
Next to the printer, yes.
Yeah. There was another button that pressed
Yeah.
save, but
Okay, now
this one
just
was
click on
so.
it. No, no, don't say, no, 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 don't click. First, click on the file name. No, 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 don't do it. File name, okay. Just click one. All right. Click, all right. Now underscore.
No.
Okay, underscore.
Yes.
Right, completed.
Completed.
Okay, now save. Now close it.
Okay.
Close it. Okay, now can you open this file? You know where is it?
I don't know.
Go to documents. Yeah, go to documents. Minimize this. Minimize it. Okay, minimize the whole screen. No, no, everything. Minimize on the top, on the right.
Here?
Up, yes. Up. Yes. Up. Yes.
Oh
yes.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, click on it. Click.
Where is? Okay. There's this one.
Yes, click.
Okay. What's this?
No, you open again. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I opened it.
You open this. As you see here, now what you wrote here is on the screen. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, now Shahina, when you have time, not now because you need to practice. Now, if I wait, it takes time. Now, you know how to open this. You need to open with Microsoft Edge, okay? And just do the questions here, all right? I mean, just for practicing, okay? As you see here, I already put equal sign. And if you want to do some calculation, here we have empty space, here we have empty space, or you can do on the paper. You can just write your answer here, 3x plus 6. And next one is, for example, just do this. Okay, next one is just do this like this. Okay?
Oh,
but
yeah.
now,
So yesterday I was working on it.
So when I tell you to do this one, let's just do a few questions here. Okay, move up.
Yesterday I was also practicing on one.
Oh, you did already.
Yeah. And
Very
should I
good.
continue what you said, like do one, skip one, do one, skip one, or should I just do them all?
Okay. Actually, Shahina, you are not going to do your homework like this. Okay, I'm just asking you to practice the vacuum tablet so that when I ask you the questions, you will write it on the screen quickly. Okay, but not now. This is one way. Another way is I will send you, for example, the PowerPoint like this in desktop or somewhere. You need to open my math class something. All files I send you, you need to save there. So it's easy to open, okay? You need to just open. I say, okay, Shahina, open this file, open the first question and do it. Then I can see this, okay? But this assignment, Shahina, you need to print out and do this in the paper, screenshot and send me. It's much better. Only for discussion, we will do it here together, okay? And because
Okay.
if you try to do this on Wacom tablet, it takes a lot of time, and also keeping your eyes on the screen too much, that's not good.
Okay.
Okay, you understand. Just what I want you is, now you know how to write on the screen using Wacom tablet, but we have to practice, okay? Your hands should get used to using tablet, because looking at the screen and writing on the tablet, it takes a few days. It's fine, but just for practicing, do it, okay?
Mhm.
All right, so very
And
good.
I have a question.
Yes.
So for chapter 2, right? I was doing that one. I think I had like a page or two left, and I wrote it on my notebook. But like after I'm done, should I like take a picture and send it to you, like as
Okay, Shahan, you
at
can
Camp
send
Scan?
it. I know you have done a lot of questions, but we are doing revision now. Okay, so if possible, I want you to do those questions again, but I will send you one by one, Shahina. This one, for example, I send you one ABC. You sent already. Now we are going to discuss this, and now one DEF. Right? You are doing this. Do it in the paper on this. Print it out. Do it on the paper. All right. And also, if possible, show your work. But this one, you don't have to show your work, just write the answer. But sometimes, for example, if you just scroll down, some questions, you need to show your work. Do not write only answers. I want to show all your work in the paper, okay?
Okay.
So after that, you will send this. But do not try to do your homework with Wacom tablet. It's not so practical to do this. Only sometimes I may ask a question. At that time, we will need this Wacom, okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay, now I will stop.
Stop.
All right. Good. Very good. Okay, Shahina, now let's continue quickly. Only we will do some questions, okay, that was wrong or it was not done. Okay, this is your first assignment. You send it, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this quickly. The question that you didn't do. Okay, this D, Shahin, as you see here, the question is write an algebraic expression for each of the following. You don't have to simplify, all right? Just write it. So, what happened? Just write the answer. Here, add 2x to 14. What is it? You should write here. The answer should be 2x plus 14. So I'm adding 2x to 14. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
And how about this one? You didn't understand this question? Divide 8x by 24y. How do you write this? Divide 8x by, divide, right? 24y. That's it.
Okay.
Right? Divide. And how about this one? Subtract 14 from 5a.
14 minus 5a.
No. 14 from
5a minus 14.
So 5a minus 14. That's it. Add 2x to twice 3a. Okay, that is right, Shahina, but we know that numbers you should write in front of the term, right? So you would write, this is also correct. And that is 2x plus 2 times 3y. It says twice, right? Twice 3y. Twice 3y.
Oh, yeah.
2 times 3y.
Okay.
Very good. And how about this? Multiply 4 by 2k. Okay, you don't have to write this. Just write the expression. 4 times 2k. That's correct. And subtract 5x from half of y. Subtract 5x from half of y. How do you write this?
Y
half
divided by
of
2.
y means it is 1 over 2y, right?
Oh, yeah.
Half of y.
And
minus 5x. So we are subtracting 5x from half of y. Okay?
Okay.
Good. All right. Translate each of the following word expressions into an algebra expression. the sum of a number 2x and a number y. That is correct. How about this one? You didn't understand the product of 7 and a number k. What does product mean?
Multiplying.
Multiplication. That is 7 and a number k. What is it? 7 times k.
K. Oh,
Right?
okay. Because, yeah.
And how about this one? Can you read question C?
15 subtracted from twice the number t. Oh, I mixed that up.
This, you should be careful with this, Shahina. It says from, right? So twice the number t. Actually,
So
you
that's
understood, but you have to interchange this. So that's wrong. What is it? 2 times t
times
minus 15.
15.
Subtract the 15 from 2t.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
How about D?
3 times the number u decreased by 4.
3 times the number u decreased by 4. What does
So
mean?
that's
Decreased by 4 means, it means we are taking away, right? 4.
Yeah.
From what? From 3 times the number u. So that is 3 times number u, right? And decreased by 4, so that is minus 4.
4.
We are taking away 4 from 3 times u.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Good. How about E?
Oh yeah, I wasn't sure about that.
8 more
8
than
more.
half of a number V. That is correct, but Shahina, we know that always we should write numbers in front of the letters.
Yeah, that's what I mixed
So
up.
that is actually, we need to write like this: 1 over 2 times V plus 8.
Okay.
Right? Always we write numbers in front of the letters. That's also correct, but if you write like this, it looks more beautiful. That's why by convention, we say that always we write numbers in front of the variables. Okay, that's correct. Next, the total value of 50 cent coins and K $2 notes in dollar.
Why did I write H and K?
Now the first part here, okay, the total means plus, that's correct. K $2 notes, you don't have to write 2.00, we just write this one 2K. And this one is how many dollars we have here? $2K, right? Is it? We have $2 notes. For example, let's say we have 1 and 2, 3. And if I ask each one is $2 notes, 2, 2, 2. How many you have here? 3, right? So if I ask you, how much do you have, Shahina? Okay, I have 3. So it is 3 times $2, right? Like this.
6.
So you should just multiply each one by the number of $2 notes. But here, how many we have? K. That is correct, but you don't have to write this after decimal point is 0, 0. It's just 2K.
Okay.
But this part is a bit tricky. It says that we have 5-cent coins, right? So if I just multiply this H by 50 cents, what we have here, Shahina? Here we will have 50 times H. What we have here? Cents, right? But we need to write this in dollars. How can I change this into dollars? To change cent into dollars, what should we do?
Multiply. Divide
by 100, right? 100. So that is equal to, I can write like this: 50 H over 100. Here we have dollars. Cents into dollars. If you want to convert dollar into cent, we should multiply by 100. If you convert cents into dollars, we should divide by 100. So now we can simplify this. What is 50 over 100? Can you simplify?
Isn't that gonna be 0.50?
No, just write 1 over 2. It's much better. 1 over 2 H dollars. So now we can write. The answer is then what we have here. Here we will have 1 over 2 H plus 2K dollars, like this. Okay? Good.
Okay.
All right. Question G.
Oh yeah. G I didn't quite understand, so I did H instead. I don't know.
Okay. Can you read
Yeah,
the
G I didn't
question?
understand. Yeah. The total cost of buying X set of stamps and commemorate
Commemorate.
the 50th anniversary of the religious organization IRO at $1.82 per set, and Y set of Rabbit Zodiac series. What does that say? And per set.
Rabbit Zodiac series at $2.22 per set.
Okay. I couldn't see that part.
That means that Shahina, you are just buying two different kinds of stamps. That one is the first one. Each one is how much? It is 1.82. 1.82. And we have another type of stamps. Each one is 2.22, right? And how many such stamps we have? It says X sets, right? So here we have X. And how about the second type? We have Y sets of the second type. Here we have how many? Y. And to find the total, it says the total cost. Then what is the total cost? Total cost will be the number of stamps and the individual price plus the number of stamps and individual price. So that's equal to 1.82x plus 2.22y. What is it? Dollars. Right?
Yeah, I get it. I get it now.
Very good. And also here, since it's an algebra expression, Shahina, you need to write in parentheses, and here you need to put here dollar sign, because we are talking about something related to dollars, so we need to write it is cents or dollars. What is it? Okay, very good. Question 3, write an algebra expression for each of the following. The cost of X liters of petrol at 1.70 per liter. Why did you divide here? You are buying X liters of petrol. Each liter is 1.70. Then how much do you pay? It is 1.70 X dollars, right? We just multiply. If you buy 5 liters, 5 times 1.70. If you buy 10 liters, 10 times 1.70. If you buy X liters, X times 1.70. So that is 1.70 X dollars.
Okay, I get it. Okay.
Question B. You don't have to unmute yourself. Yeah, it's okay if your siblings are playing there. It's fine.
Okay. 3 times the variable x divided by the sum of 3 and k.
Okay.
So that's 3
times
x.
The variable x. What is it? It is 3x. Okay, that's the first
3x.
part. Divided by, okay, that means divided by the sum of 3k. So the sum of 3k. What is it? 3 plus k. So since it's an expression, I need to write this in parentheses. So that is 3x is divided by, what is it? 3 plus k. And also, you know that division we can write as a fraction, right? I can write it as 3x over 3 plus k, the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, how about C?
5 times the number, which is 3 times more than h.
5 times a number, I don't know what number is it, which is 3 times more than h. Okay, Shahine, just instead of this h, okay, if I just write here, let's say 2. Can you tell me what number is it now? It says 5 times a number, which is 3 times more than h.
5 times. That's going to be 25.
No. A
Right?
number which is 3 times more than h means 3 times more than h means that is equal to 3h, right?
Oh,
If it
so
is
that'll be
2, 3
6.
times 2, so that number would be 6. And 5 times 6 would be 30. So this, a number which is 3 times more than an h, that means that this number should be 3h. So that's 3h times 5. Actually, your answer is correct, but just you need to write in, how to say, numbers always in front of the letter. After writing the Shahina, you need to simplify this. So 3 times 5, that will be 15h. Right? But your answer is correct. How about D?
1/4 of a number which is 4 less than m.
1/4 of a number, okay, a number which is 4 less than m. Which is 4 less than m, that number, what is that number?
We don't know.
Number that is 4 less than m means that is m minus 4, right? So now it says 1/4. What is 1/4? So 1/4 of a number. What is that number? That is m minus 4, which is 4 less than m. So that is here we have m minus 4. Okay.
Okay.
Question E.
The total number of eggs in K cartons where each carton contains n eggs.
Why did it divide? Here we have cartons, right? The first one, the second one, dot, 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 nth one. It says that each carton contains n eggs. Here we have n eggs, here we have n eggs, here we have n eggs. How many cartons we have here? K. So here we have K cartons. So how many eggs do we have here then? K times n.
Oh no, because what my mind was thinking of like for K.
Immediately you have to imagine, right? Here we have just example. If you get confused in such cases, Shahina, instead of K, put the number. Assume that we have 3 cartons, 1, 2, 3. Instead of n, let's say each carton we have 5, 5, 5, 5. How many? 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 3 times 5. Now we are multiplying, right? So that is K times n. Okay?
Okay, sorry, I accidentally pressed that. Okay.
How about F?
The total distance traveled by a car for X hours at an average speed of Z kilometers per hour.
Okay, Shahina, what is this X hours? It is time, right?
Yeah.
And how about the speed of Z kilometers per hour? That is speed. And how do you find the distance traveled? That is D, right? And we know that distance equals speed times time, right? So X hours Z at the time it will be, what is it? X times Z kilometers. That is a distance. Because just multiply time by speed, we will get distance, right? Okay, good. How about question 4?
Mary is X years old. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following. A, 3 times Mary's age next year.
3 times Mary's age next year. Shahina, this is correct, but 3 times, I don't know why you are writing this number after this expression. You need to write like this, 3 times,
oh yeah, 3 times
Mary's age next year. So next year Mary will be X plus 1. So that is expression you need to write in parentheses.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, I get it.
B, 5 times Mary's age 6 years ago. So that's also good, correct, but this is a single algebraic expression expressing one thing, so you need to write in parentheses. So that is equal to, what is it? 5 times x minus 6, like this. Okay. How about next? C.
The present age of The present age of Mary's aunt, if her aunt is 4 times as old as Mary's, will be 2 years from now.
Okay. The present age of Mary's aunt, if her aunt is 4 times as old as Mary, will be 2 years from now. So that means that if her aunt is 4 times as old as Mary, will be 2 years from now. 2 years from now is x plus 2. Very good. Also correct, Shahina. The only mistake is, you're writing algebra expression. You need to write in parentheses.
Yeah.
This is one thing. And also number, you need to write in front. That's equal to 4 times x plus 2.
Plus 2. Yeah.
Okay. And how about the last question? Can you read it?
Yeah. The present age of Mary's niece, if her niece is 3 times less than 1/3 of Mary's age 5 years ago.
The present age of Mary's niece, if her niece is 3 years less than, okay, let's just read here. 3 years less than, it is minus 1/3 Mary's age 5 years ago. So what is that? 5 years ago, that is x minus 5. That's 5 years ago, Mary's age, right? 1/3, so that is 1/3, right? And 3 years less than 1/3, so it is minus 3. Okay, that is the answer. Because it says that 3 years less than, okay, 3 years less than 1/3, right? Mary's age 5 years ago. Mary's age 5 years ago, it is x minus 5. 1/3 x minus 5 minus 3. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So that is the correct one. And Shahina, I think you know these things. I will skip this, okay? And also just you need to substitute and we'll practice more about this. Okay, simplify. It's correct, Shahina. How about this question? Why didn't you do question F or question B, for example? I cannot hear you.
Sorry. Because last time you said that you should do one, skip one, do one, skip one. So that's what I did, but I wasn't quite sure if you wanna like me to do everything.
Oh, okay. So you on purpose you skipped, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Because they were all the same.
If you can do this, it's good. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
But,
This
they
one
weren't
6N. Okay. 8K. And this one is 4 minus 8N. Very good. It is 3U. And this one is 9V. Very good. How about this one, Shahina? Let's just do one question here. Can you do this, F? Just tell me how to do that. Actually, here we are multiplying something by something, right? Algebra expressions, for we need to multiply number by number, variable by variable. We have only A, so here we will have A. And now we need to multiply this minus 3 over 7 by, what is it? Minus 4, 2 over 3. And to do this, minus, it is plus, so the answer will be plus 3 over 7. So we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 2, it is 14. 14 over 3. So can you simplify this mentally, Shahina? What is the answer here?
That's gonna be 21 times. Okay, let me get my notebook.
Or just do it mentally, Shahina. So this 3
Oh,
3
yeah,
cancels each other. 14 is divided by 7.
That is 2. Oh, so that'll be 2.
Okay, so the answer will be 2A, right?
2A. Yeah.
Good. All right.
I forget about that.
Okay, Shahina, then this is done.
Oh.
Okay. I will save it here. Yes. How about DEF? Shahina, did you also finish DEF?
No, I was working on that yesterday, but no, not yet.
Okay.
I should be able to send it to you, like, I think today or tomorrow.
Yeah, so you are working on it, right?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay. So Shahina, now let's do some questions about integers. Okay, last time, if you remember, we did a lot of examples about, what is it? ACF, highest common factor, and least common multiple. And I hope you can find LCM or ACF of any numbers. So now, today, we will do a few revisions about integers. All right. It's about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing odd numbers. Shaina, can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right. Shaina, first let's start with integers. Okay, last time we talked about counting numbers, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are counting numbers, or also we call these natural numbers. And a little bigger than this, it is integers. All right. When we say integers, simply, as you know, these numbers, that is -5, for example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These numbers actually are called integers in math. Actually, if I just take only this part, these are counting numbers. If we add 0 to this, we call this whole numbers. Now, if we just extend this to the opposite direction, we call adding negative numbers, we call them integers. On the number line, for example, that's our number line. And let's say here we have 0, right? To the right of 0, we have positive numbers. To the left of 0, we have negative numbers, right? Here we have, what is it? 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, 4, and here we have -1, -2, -3, and -4, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Shahina, let me stop here. Okay. So have some break. After 10 minutes, we will continue. All right.
Okay.
Good.